everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a super quick clean with me. Just gonna tidy up the kitchen. The living room was pretty clean already, so I'm just gonna put it all away, all the food that we had left over. I'm gonna clear out the dishwasher, and then I'm gonna add whatever dishes that are dirty in the sink to the dishwasher, and then I'm gonna run that by the end of the night. We had chicken taco bowls for dinner tonight, so I'm going to be putting away all of our leftovers. We have corn, beans, lettuce, chicken, avocado, and I couldn't find the lid to my container where the beans were in, so I just had to switch that out. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to load the dishwasher, but I'm the type of person that will wash the dishes before putting them into the dishwasher. It's just something that I have to do. I don't know if you guys do it, but let me know in the comments down below if you do it or if you don't. Now that my counters are clear, I'm going to be using this Clorox Anywhere Hard Surface Spray. I absolutely love this thing. I don't have to wipe it down like a lot of Clorox products, which is great. And it actually kills like 99 point something percent of bacteria. And it's safe to use like around kids, high chairs, and all that stuff. And I can only find it at Target. guys. So I am going to just vacuum up the floor and then I'm going to wipe down my dishwasher. But I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comments down below letting me know what other videos you would like to see, or what does your night routine look like. I have a list of videos that I would love to share with you guys. So I hope you join me in this YouTube journey, and I hope you stick with me for a really, really long time. And I will see you guys on my next video.